Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 10 of virtual online learning. So let's get right to it. First thing I want you guys to do, you can see 3 people have shown this as turned in. After you watch the morning video, I want you guys to turn it in. That'll help me see who's watching it because I want to make sure you guys are watching this. I make this to try to help you set up the day. Okay? All right, so start with math. Today this week we're going to talk about fractions. We're going to review adding and subtracting fractions. So I'm going to bring the assignment over here. Here's what the assignment's going to look like. So you're going to add fractions. This is giving you a video of reminding you what that looks like to add fractions. Here's the link to take you to the virtual manipulatives, which you may want to use as you are solving the problems. And then go through and solve, I think there's 4 or 5 story problems. Okay? Once you're done solving the story problems, you're going to go back to IXL and you're going to work on the standards that I gave you last week. Each of you have your own individual standards. They should be in your email. And then also work on about 5 problems of the diagnostic. That way, that'll help you to set up for your next week's individual learning. Book discussion at 10 a.m. We're going to be talking about our new project, which is a Titanic project, and then we're going to also have you guys share your slides from last week on camouflage. So have them up and ready when you come to the book discussion. And then in reading, this is one that we're going to talk about a lot during today's book discussion. So there's a quick video to kind of give you a background on the Titanic. You have a Raz Kids assignment where you read the book, answer the questions about the Titanic. This notes page, this is where you're going to take notes about each of these sections. So these will be your headings as you're writing your paper. These links will take you to a Epic book that has information. It's not the only place you can find the information, but it's one of the places that it will take you, and it does have information about it. So right here, you notice some of these books will read to you, so be prepared for that. Then when you're writing the paper, everybody's going to start with the same template. Now I set the template up for you. So I gave you your table of contents, and then I also put the headings I would like you to use. So when you go to write your introduction, all you have to do is go to this blue introduction, click on it, and it'll take you to where the introduction is in the paper. And then you'll go below the introduction, it'll change the font size right away for you, and you'll type your introduction there. Then when you're ready to write about your background, you're going to go back to the background information that you took down on your notes page, and then you're going to write about it in the background section. I don't know why that's not working. Okay, well, I will fix that for you. Okay? Any questions, please let me know. Thank you.